I remember when I was first looking at the weapons, I'm like, oh, well, maybe I should craft some weapons from this. And I saw what they look like, and I'm like, mm-mm, mm-mm. It is not it. It's not ugly, it has character. It has a lot of character.
That's a lot of character.
Them some spicy weapons.
I tell all my friends, like, when they're new to this game and, like, they want to, like, do the harder stuff. I was the same way at first. I was scared.
I can't imagine you ever being shy or scared about doing content. It's so...
I need you to know, this is, like, the first game I've ever played where I was, like, actually doing in-game stuff.
Really?
I've been, like, mediocre at games at best. This is the one game I can say I'm actually kind of good at.
Mm. Thank you, Sanic.
If your main fear is interacting with other people, there's a blacklist and it's really cool. I want the tank buster.
I wanted it. It looks spicy. I wanted to eat it.
Yummy. Oh my god, annoying Juniper. Uh-oh. Oh! I stepped in the AoE.
Why? Why would you do that?
My toe, it was too big. My body, it's so round. It's rotund.
So rotund.
So big and round.
Oh my gosh. Where's my loot? Bum 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 bum. I wonder if this was like in my book or something. Now I'm thinking like, oh yeah, I have a book.
Oh yeah, I should probably get a book.
Maybe.
Oh, all that food sounds so yummy.
I got some food from my town's Labor Day picnic, $15 for a plate of beef, chicken, sausage, and other sides, and it's enough to last 2 or 3 meals. Oh my god, please give it to me right now.
I'm hungry.
I will pay you $30 for that $15 plate. BRB, finding $30.
I forgot it was Labor Day weekend, actually.
It is.
I'm hungry.
Mm-hmm.
I want tacos again.
Tacos! Oh my god, my love language. Ugh, tacos.
Need 2 chicken enchilada burritos and a Baja Blast from Taco Bell.
I need a crunch wrap stat. Oh, James, I know so many wonderful spots for barbecue and all sorts of stuff out in Texas. Like, yes, all my yes. I'm pretty sure Salt Lick Barbecue still follows me. I used to plug their ish every single time.
Wait, actually, I need nachos from that,
Ooh,
Mexican place that's near me.
I love nachos.
I can't remember the. I think the restaurant is literally just called Mexico.
Really?
Yeah.
Well then.
There's some funny restaurants near me.
Not me dashing on accident because I accidentally pressed the wrong button. Love that for me. Alright, where is... There we go. Over
Wait
here.
a minute.
Yeah.
Taylor's being different.
Taylor, why are you over there, princess?
Taylor's
What's
being
going
different.
on?
Princess.
I mean, to be fair, it probably doesn't hurt them half as much as it hurts us.
I have to jump. They need to change the Dragoon jumps to where, like, if you're being bound to a spot but you're in the range of the hitbox,
Yeah.